Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti, the future maker. In this channel, we provide information related jobs. Now we are gonna discuss about Java Architect in Infosys. What is the job description? The responsibilities for this are: as part of Infosys delivery team, your primary role would be to provide best fit architectural solution to one or more projects. You would also provide technology consultation and assist in defining scope and sizing of work. You would implement solutions, create technology differentiation, and leverage partner technologies. Additionally, you would participate in competency development with the objective of ensuring the best fit and high quality technical solutions. You would be able to contribute in creating through leadership within the area of technology specialization and in compliance with guidance, policies, and norms of Infosys. We'll see the additional responsibilities for this particular one. The knowledge of architectural design, patterns, functional tuning, and database and functional designs for this. Hands-on experience in service-oriented architecture is needed. Ability to lead solution deployment and delivery for the design solutions. And also experience in designing high-level and low-level documentations is a plus for this particular one. Good understanding of SDLC is a prerequisite and awareness of latest technologies and trends will be helpful. Logical thinking and problem solving skills, along with an ability to collaborate with a team, are needed. The work experience for this is 8 to 11 years of experience are needed, and educational qualification for this is Master of Computer Appliance, Master of Engineering, Master of Science, Master of Technology, Bachelor of Computer Appliances, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Technology. Technical and professional requirements for this particular one is primary skills are Java and this architecture. Desirable are like cloud platform, that is Azure developer and Amazon Web Services, and the UI markup languages is React JS. And we are looking for the company that is Infosys Limited, and the role is technology architect. Unit application development and maintenance projects in this will be working on that, and the location for this particular one is in Pune. And thank you for your time. If you need to apply for this job, kindly click the below link which is provided in the description. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.